Hello friends, I'm Don and welcome to the channel. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about my Jeep. It's a 2013 Jeep Rubicon Wrangler. We bought it brand new with every intention of keeping it forever. When we bought it, we added the Rubicon package, which came with four-wheel disc brakes, front and rear Dana 44s, skid plates, and a few other things. After the warranty expired, that's when we started doing the upgrades. Hope you enjoy it, and welcome to the channel. One of our first upgrades was a TerraFlex 4-inch long arm lift. A long arm suspension gives you a great ride both on and off-road, and since we planned on 37-inch tires, we needed the clearance. The TerraFlex kit comes with a lot of adjustability, hydraulic bump stops, and Falcon 3.2 shocks. Underneath, we went with Tom Woods drive shafts for both the front and rear. The upgrades to the front include a Genrite aluminum bumper, Warren Evo 10 winch, and a Factor 55 flat link. We have ARB differential covers for both front and rear. For rocker panel protection, we went with TerraFlex aluminum rock sliders. On the rear of the Jeep, we have a license plate relocation, Genrite aluminum bumper, and a TerraFlex heavy-duty tire carrier. The wheels are Hutchinson 17-inch beadlocks with 37-inch Goodyear MTRs. My favorite part of the Jeep is the lift. It drives great at any speed or on any terrain. Our next upgrade will be installing an ARB twin compressor under the passenger seat. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate your time. If you enjoyed the video, it'd be great if you'd give it a thumbs up. We'd enjoy having you as a member of the channel. Just hit subscribe. Until next time, happy trails.